I know how tough it can be to find the right dog food for our furry friends, especially if they have sensitive stomachs. I bought and tested these top 5 dog foods for boxers, so you don't have to waste your money. Let's dive into what worked best for my pup.
Product number 1. Purina Pro Plan High Protein Puppy Food DHA Lamb and Rice Formula. My first experience with the Purina Pro Plan High Protein Puppy Food was with my boxer puppy, who had a particularly finicky stomach. The first thing I noticed was the enticing aroma of the lamb and rice formula. As I poured the kibble into his bowl, I could see the quality of the ingredients. Real lamb was the first ingredient, which is crucial for muscle development in puppies. I was relieved to see that the food was fortified with DHA from omega-rich fish oil, essential for brain and vision development. My puppy took to it immediately, devouring each piece with enthusiasm. The probiotics included were a game changer. Within a week, I noticed a significant improvement in his digestion. No more stomach upsets or loose stools. However, I did encounter a couple of drawbacks. While the food is high quality, it can be a bit pricier than other brands. Additionally, some puppies may be picky about the texture, although mine loved it. Overall, I would say this is an excellent investment for puppy owners looking to provide the best nutrition. If you're concerned about your boxer puppy's sensitive stomach, this formula offers solid nutrition and promotes a healthy digestive system.
Product number 2. Purina Pro Plan High Protein Dog Food Small Bites Sport 2717 Lamb and Rice Formula. Next up is the Purina Pro Plan High Protein Dog Food for all life stages. I initially chose this one for my older boxer, who still has a sensitive stomach. The small bites were perfect. They made it easier for him to chew, and I noticed he was able to digest it without any issues. The high protein content was a significant plus, as my boxer is quite active. I loved that real lamb was again the first ingredient, providing the essential protein he needs for muscle maintenance. Plus, it's fortified with glucosamine and omega-3 for joint health, which is crucial as he ages. The live probiotics were a reassuring touch, promoting digestive health. On the downside, the size of the kibble might not be ideal for every dog, particularly larger breeds. Still, I found that the benefits far outweighed the cons. If you're looking for a balanced diet that supports overall well-being, this dog food is a fantastic option for boxers, particularly those who struggle with digestive issues.
Product number 3. Get Naked Calming Dental Sticks for Dogs. The Get Naked Calming Dental Sticks were a delightful surprise for my boxer. Not only do they help with dental care, but they also provide calming support, which is essential for dogs like mine that sometimes get anxious. The first time I gave him one of these sticks, I noticed his excitement. The grain-free chicken flavor was a hit, and I felt good knowing it was made without artificial ingredients. Infused with chamomile and passion flower, these sticks helped soothe his nerves during stressful situations, like thunderstorms. I also appreciated that they promote dental health by reducing plaque and tartar buildup. However, I did notice that they are on the smaller side, which might not satisfy larger or more aggressive chewers. Still, for my boxer, they were perfect. If your dog suffers from anxiety or you want to maintain their dental hygiene, these sticks are a solid choice that combines functionality with taste.
Product number 4. Get Naked Calming Dental Sticks for Dogs, Small Sticks. I also tried the Get Naked Calming Dental Sticks in the smaller size. Same great features, but specifically designed for smaller breeds or those who prefer a lighter chew. My boxer enjoyed them just as much as the larger version. The calming properties worked wonders during our car rides, where he typically gets a little restless. The grain-free, gluten-free formula meant I didn't have to worry about any digestive issues, which is a major plus. What I absolutely loved was the firm texture that helped clean his teeth while he chewed. It was a win-win. However, if your dog is a heavy chewer, you might find they go through these quickly. Overall, these sticks are a fantastic addition to your dog's diet, especially for those sensitive to certain ingredients.
Product number 5. Enhanced Pet Bowl Slanted Stainless Steel Dog Bowl. Finally, I want to talk about the Enhanced Pet Bowl, which I got for my boxer to help reduce gas and mess during mealtime. The ergonomic slanted design was a game changer. My dog seemed to adopt a more comfortable eating posture, which minimized pressure on his stomach. The no-spill feature was a lifesaver as well, especially since boxers can be enthusiastic eaters. It really slowed him down and encouraged better chewing. While I absolutely love the design and functionality, I did notice it's a bit on the pricier side compared to regular bowls. However, the benefits of reducing mess and promoting digestion made it worth the investment. If you're looking for a bowl that caters to your boxer's needs, this is an excellent choice.
To wrap it up, finding the right dog food and accessories for boxers with sensitive stomachs can be a challenge, but these top picks have made a world of difference for my pup. I highly recommend trying any of these options for a happier, healthier dog.